Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video I'm just going to go through this Ford. It's a 1.6. Obviously the signs of a misfire, besides it showing you on this diagnostic machine, is basically the things to look out for. Or should we say, if you do hear this sort of like noise from the exhaust, then this is misfire, and that's how you know that you need to change the spark plug and the ignition coil, which we recommend changing all four at once. As you can hear that, that's the sort of sound it makes. It's misfiring, in other words. So we highly recommend changing the spark plugs and ignition coil, the whole lot at once rather than just one, because that's standard protocol. Ford, this is the fourth one, so you'll need to change that, and the spark plug, well, obviously it's best to do all four, and the ignition coil, and that should solve it really.